Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So one of the subscriber had commented me that he has watched the how to buy UC video, and he is confused how to buy that. He's saying that it's not coming. The UC is not coming, and so I'm gonna clarify his doubt. Shout out for Praveen Chauhan. So I'm gonna clarify his doubt. First, we have to go to this Chrome browser. After going to Chrome browser, you have to select any of the UC packs and enter your player ID, character ID, and you have to click on buy now. So now currently it's showing that this product is not available in this country. So we have to wait for a while. Maybe this is the one which showed him. So currently it's not available in our country right now. If you want to buy from another country, you can click on this payment method option, and you have to change your country. You can keep any country you want. I'm keeping United States. Boom guys, I kept United States, and now I'm gonna go back. So guys, after going back, you have to select any of the UC packs. After selecting, you have to enter your character ID. After that, you have to click on buy now. Why is this showing like this? Just a minute guys, I think I have to log out. Yes guys, I have to log out from this website. So we came to the main page of the website, and we have to click on these three lines. After clicking on these three lines, we have to click on the payment method option. After clicking on the payment method option, you have to change the country, and keeping it on United States. Even you can keep on United States, so that shouldn't be a big problem at all. And you have to go back. After going back, you have to select this global version. After selecting the global version, you have to again select on these three lines. 1 minute guys, I think it took me to the home page again. After selecting the global version, there is a net crisis in my area, so I'm sorry for that guys. This top-up service is only applicable for PUBG Mobile players in Malaysia. Okay, so it's only available for Malaysia, so we have to keep the country to Malaysia. We have to change the country to Malaysia. So it's not even available for USA or anything else. So let's keep Malaysia guys. Where's Malaysia? Yeah, boom guys, we got Malaysia, and we have set it to Malaysia. Now we have to go back and just what the hell guys, I'm changing the currency. So we'll have to change again. Why the hell is it showing it Malaysia, man? We have to keep it RM. I think we have to click on these. No, it's showing to another website. I'm gonna tell a simple thing guys. When it's currently not available in our country, so maybe it will come next week or day after tomorrow or next month, we don't know. Whenever the PUBG Mobile unbans in India, maybe it's going to come. You have to do simple thing. Go to CGM, sign into your CGM account, and then select the UC packs, enter your character ID, and then click on checkout. After clicking on checkout, select the payment methods. You have to use only PhonePe. If you use Paytm, Beam UPI ID or any net banking redeem codes, that's not, if you use those you lose your money. So you have to do only PhonePe, enter your card, your CVV codes or whatever, then click on pay, then boom guys, you will get UC in your account, but you have to wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, then you'll get UC in your account. So that's all I got for this video guys. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in my next video guys. Take care everyone, and bye bye.